Man, so I know I said I was going to video me weathering this and detailing it. So I just used some this sunny yellow for my ladders, and I used some Vallejo silver. So what I did was I did some wash. So first I laid down some Vallejo orange rust, and that's the brighter color. And this is model air, so it's thin. This is light rust, Vallejo light rust, and a wash. This is just a light rust wash. It's real thin, right? And I just thought of something else I could use, but this game wash. This is a sepia, and sepia is kind of dark. You know, it's a nice wash. Oh, sorry. This is like a sepia. It's called, and it's a dark wash. Don't look at that yellow because it's really dark, and it's just a wash, kind of like that. It's not black. It's not brown. It's just it's a cool color. But so you see, like I just took a brush and got my color in here. You can see my colors that I used, right? And just did random and drug it across. And I kind of, it was too much. Like, and like what you're seeing on camera is more intensified than what you see in real life. So it's not as bright. And then I used some silver and I dry brushed that. So I just put some silver in my cup and got it off on here. Right? And then just dry brushed the roof. Right? Made it a little shiny, but not super shiny. And then I got some of my grime, right? And did little areas here and there with grime, dry brushed. And like that walkway is dry brushed. The walkway is dry brushed. And same thing in the funnel and on the roof, just little spots here and there. And for me, like I was using the back as a test, right? To see like here was a wash, right? And I didn't like how it was, so I did it again up here, and I just drug it, to thin it out and move it around, right? So the back you won't see all this, right? So this was my test spots, and then I took some chalks, pastel chalks, and kind of to make like a powder and do a dusting, and then I just dusted it. And I might also do, I do have, where is it at? I got this. This is called Dust and Dirt. I might throw some of this on there and see what that looks like. Let's try it real quick. This is an AK product. It's kind of thick. I'm gonna have to shake it up. It's a lot of pigment in here, and I don't want I'm gonna take some. Yeah, see, like at the bottom, there's a lot of junk. See it? I don't want all that. I should stir it, but I'm not. I'm just going to dry brush it and move that out of the way and see what it looks like. It's too, for me, it's too dirty. Like, too. Let me see what. So this is an enamel, so I can move it and then work with it a lot, right? So it's not quite as bad, right? So let's go up here, right? All right, we got that there. So then let's try to move it out. Yeah, that's not too bad either. All right. I could put some on the roof where it's like a little shiny for me. I don't think that did much. Put some on the back here. So that looks like. Yeah, I can't say that I like it. And it's hard to tell by the light too. But yeah, that's about it. I don't. Maybe I could dry brush some gray over this a little bit to help it kind of like not be so. What I don't like about it is it's so like in your face. You know, it's like too intense for me. Gray, 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 gray. I just want like a light gray. All these colors, I know I got light gray somewhere. Hold on, let me find it. Alright, so I'm coming back. So here's what I did. I didn't like using that Vallejo or that enamel from AK, the dust. So I took some silver, right, and I took some basalt gray. Just put a little bit, right, on the side. Sorry, you can't see, right? So just put a little bit in there, and then I'll take that, right, and introduce it little by little into my silver. And basically, I want a not so bright silver, if that makes sense, right? So I'm going to come over to my cardboard and take some of it off, right? So basically I'm going to dry brush this, right? And so I did it on the back, right? And I kind of liked how it muted some of the underlying colors, right? They were there, but they're just muted. You'll see, right? You'll see like here, right? And that's kind of like, yeah, don't be afraid to just experiment. So it's almost like a gunmetal, but it's some gunmetals are dark, you know, and I don't want something super dark, but yeah, I kind of like that, right? It's not so intense anymore. There's still some like highlights of it, of the underlying colors, right? Some rusts and, you know, I don't know. It's all just a game, right? You're just trying different things and seeing what works, seeing what you like. And it's like what you like. You can get some photos and go from there, right? That's always a good way to mimic what you're doing. Sometimes you can't find photos of exactly what you're doing, right? So I'm just doing this funnel part. And again, you're only going to see this part of this structure. You're not going to see nothing else. You're going to see the back. You rarely won't even see the side, like a good view of the side. You're not going to see it. You're just going to see it from this way on, right? Which is fine. Yeah, I'm going to call it done. And because you can sit here and fiddle with this thing forever. There's got to be a point where you're saying, that's enough. That's enough. All right, so this is a long video, longer than I thought, but I didn't show you everything because I kind of forgot. And what made me remember was Drew Steele made a comment. He couldn't wait to see how I weathered it. So I thought, nah, let me just do a quick recap and show you some stuff. I got to work on the top. I don't like how the top looks. Anyway, be well. Stay tuned. Tune in. Subscribe. You know the old deal. Take care. Thanks for watching.